Canterbury Farm, and today we're making chicken loaf, and it's similar to meatloaf, only we're using chicken instead. First thing we need to do is preheat your oven to 350 and grease a loaf pan. Since we're dealing with pre-cooked chicken instead of raw hamburger like a meatloaf, make sure your pan is greased. Next thing, we need 4 cups of cooked cut up chicken, and I have a combination of chicken legs and canned pieces of chicken that mostly was breast meat, and I've cut those up pretty fine. We need a 2/3 cup of cooked carrots. I'm just going to go ahead and mix those in there with the chicken right now. Then we need, I have a full, it was a small green pepper, so that was totally, I cut that up. And then I have a half of a large onion, so probably a full small onion would be good. And I'm going to give that a mix there. 2 eggs in a separate cup here, and I'm going to add those to the meat. And I have half a cup of milk. I have a 1/4 a cup of chicken broth. Then I'm going to just add, probably it's about a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, probably the same thing, about a teaspoon of garlic powder, and some crushed red pepper, dry parsley. Mix this up, and then we're going to add breadcrumbs. But first of all, I want to get this all mixed. The bread has a habit of absorbing all of the egg, so it's good to get it all mixed before you get to the adding the bread here. Add a cup and a half of soft breadcrumbs. Mixed, we're going to put that in the loaf pan. You want to squish it down. Put this in the oven for 40 minutes, and I am not going to cover it, but I'm going to check it halfway through, and if it looks like it's getting too brown on top, then I'll put some foil on the top. And we'll be back to look at it when it's all finished. And it's out of the oven and ready to serve. So this has been Chicken Loaf, Canterbury Farm. Thanks for joining us today. Bye.